tall trees to climb. I feel like a jailbird serving time. I wish they'd replace me with a chime, 'cause all I ever do is cuckoo. No trails I can follow where strangers hide. No fine feathered playmates I can like. I just wait around for the hour to strike so I can give out with my cuckoo. This sort of life is making me the loneliest soul. Now, how much can a cuckoo see from a pigeonhole? I'd like to get into the world outside, see things where my eyes would open wide. I want things that I've never tried, but all I ever do is cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. All I ever do is cuckoo. I'm free as a bird. Well, pluck me feathers and fry me. Look who's here.
Who let you out, jailbird?
Look, I'm a cuckoo. Better watch out for the termites. Wooden head. Hey, you gonna stick around a while?
Pull yourself together, big boy. I think you're cute. Hubba, hubba.
Can't you, you blockhead?
If I were free, the world would see a happy and smiling me. I'd fly up to the sun and leave my cares behind me. I'd have my share of fun. Instead, these bars remind me that I'm alone, just like a stone that lies beside the road without a friend of its own. I want someone to hold me, to lead tenderly, and that would be if
I'll save her.
were free.
Timberwolf!
You ruined the act!
You were terrific, darling. Doing that for me.
Everybody make for the Southland!
Come on, Nightingale. We're heading south.
Hey, wait for me! Wait for me! Wait!
If I were free, the world would see a happy and smiling me. I want someone to hold me, to love me tenderly.
How am I cooing, big boy?